Monday and my birthday week starts today because my birthday is this Sunday. It's 7:30 right now and I'm eating cheesecake. My friend bought this yesterday for me for my birthday because I'm leaving town today. And my favorite cake is cheesecake. I started last night and as soon as I got up this morning, I was like, there is a cheesecake in my fridge. So I'm having cheesecake for breakfast. This is how you celebrate your birthday. You wake up in the morning and you eat cake for breakfast. This is awesome. I have so much to do today. I haven't even started packing. I'm flying out to Hawaii this evening, my first time to Hawaii. That's where I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with lots and lots of surfing in warm water. I am so looking forward to it. Seriously, I better stop eating. Oh my God, I can't stop eating. I started surfing in a cold freaking Santa Cruz water and I never knew what it feels like to surf in warm water. Once I went to Malibu, but it was cold enough for me to put on my wetsuit. I'm still eating. I'm very excited to surf in the warm water with no wetsuit, but at the same time, I'm a little bit concerned because surfing without a wetsuit and with just my bare skin and just only bathing suit, I don't think it's going to be comfortable on the board. Like there's going to be a lot of friction. Because I remember surfing in my spring suit, which is very short. My knees and my thighs were like really not happy. So I can't imagine my entire body not wearing wetsuit and have that cushion and friction protection, you know? So we'll see how that goes. It's gonna be fun! Woohoo! Okay, stop. One last one. And stop. You gotta save some for lunch, you know? Because I'm having cheesecake for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I haven't even washed my face. Alright, let's pack! So this is what I'm taking to Hawaii with me. Do you think it's gonna fit like on those cabinets inside the plane? I don't think it's gonna fit. I mean, it's gonna go like this, right? So I have these things. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna fit. If it's not gonna fit, they're gonna make me pay $35. But this is like the least I can carry. I have like my camera gear, a couple of bathing suits, and a bunch of sunblock t-shirts, and my spring wetsuit. This is all I'm bringing. All this in here is my sleeping bag, my inflatable mattress, because I will be staying in a van, and yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. I'm leaving my car at my friend's home. I have to drop off the key. He's not at home, so I have to leave it here. I am waiting for my Uber. He is 4 minutes away. My flight leaves at 6:08. Right now it's 4:30. I am very much concerned. I don't know why I do this, but every time I wait until the last minute to go to the airport. Elias?
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Are you Ethiopian?
Yep.
Salam no?
Ethiopian?
Yes, so Ethiopian. Airlines Terminal B.
Terminal B.
Yes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. My driver is Ethiopian. And you know what he said? He said that this is typical Ethiopian habit to wait until last minute, which is true, unfortunately. So wish me luck.
Yeah,
I really hope I make it. I'm so concerned.
Okay.
If I miss this flight, the flight is non-refundable. I can't get a refund. I can't change it.
That's good.
So I will be screwed. I'm here. I'm here. Oh my God, there's no line. Thank God. Okay, now we're gonna find out if they're gonna make me pay for this luggage or not. Thank you so much. They said that I can have it fit in the plane. Yay! My bag is over there. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? They took away my body cream. They said it was oversized. But the good news is I made it in time. So can't really complain about that cream. I immediately feel the heat. Tropical! I'm waiting for Uber to the hostel. This is my bedding, and I'm climbing the stairs to the 4th floor. One more. No elevator. Can you freaking believe that? This is funny because I just walked in and everybody's asleep. It's almost midnight, so everybody's asleep, and my bed is on the top. So I have to climb on and make noise and make my bed and go to bed. And I wanted to use the restroom, and I think someone is in there, and there's this separate room in the back. I don't understand, so I'm just gonna go down there and get more information. I'm not even sure if that's my bed. What if I'm on the bed of the person in the shower? So it turns out that is my bed. The room in the back is a private room. So there's the group area with the 4 bunk beds, and then there's one in the back, the private. So I think the private person is taking the shower. I'm gonna wait for him, and then I'm gonna use the restroom, and I'm just gonna climb on to the top bed and make my bed and make noise and annoy people.